Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. The process of reservation was carried out as per the notification dated 1/12/2019, which included 34 Gram Panchayats. Stop. The directions issued by the Apex Court necessitated reworking out of the reservation, as the reservation had to be determined after taking into consideration the one additional Gram Panchayat and draw of lottery had accordingly taken place on 4/2/2020. Stop para. The respondents have also pleaded in the reply that the writ petition is liable to be dismissed in view of the fact that Article 243(o) of the Constitution of India bars interference by courts in electoral matters. Stop. The respondents have also pleaded that the allotment of seats entails process of reservation of seats as provided under Rule 7 of the Panchayati Raj under bracket election rules 1994 bracket hereinafter shall be referred to as the rules of 1994 bracket close. Stop. The respondents have pleaded that section 117 of the Act of 1994 also bars interference by these courts in certain matters, and as such, in view of the constitutional and statutory bar, the writ petitions deserve to be dismissed as being not maintainable. Stop para. Learned counsel appearing for the petitioners, led by Mr. Ashwini Jaiman, has submitted that the extraordinary jurisdiction of the High Court under Article 226 of the Constitution of India cannot be curtailed and the writ petition would be maintainable. Stop para. Learned counsel appearing for the petitioners, led by Mr. Ashwini Jaiman, advocate, have made following legal submissions. The bare perusal of Article 243(a) of the Constitution of India would reveal that bar is in respect of validity of any law relating to the delimitation of the constituencies or the validity of any law relating to the allotment of seats to such constituencies made or purported to be made under Article 243(k) of the Constitution of India, and since the petitioners are not questioning the validity of any law, the bar contained under Article 243(a) of the Constitution of India will not be attracted in the present facts of the case. Stop para. The petitioners are questioning the excessive reservation made in favor of the women wide draw of lots and the provisions of section 15 and 16 of the Act of 1994 as well as Rule 7 of the Rules of 1994 have not been questioned by the petitioners. Rather, true implementation of the aforesaid provisions have been sought in the writ petitions, and thus the bar contained under Article 243(o) (a) of the Constitution of India is not applicable in the writ petitions are maintainable under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Stop para. The petitioners are voters and aspiring candidates to contest election in their respective Gram Panchayats, and excessive reservation wide redraw of lots has resulted into their ouster to contest election, and therefore there is no other remedy for the petitioners to question such arbitrary action of the state government whereby it has acted contrary to its own rules and regulations. Stop para. The remedy of election petition can be availed by the candidates, and since petitioners are not allowed to contest as a result of excessive reservation made in favor of women, they cannot avail the remedy of election petition as provided under section 43 of the Act of 1994 as well as under rule 80 of the rules of 1994, and thus the petitioner cannot be rendered remediless. Stop para. The power of judicial review is the basic feature of the Indian Constitution and one of the ingredients of basic structure is the democratic nature of our republic, and free and fair election forms the foundation of democracy, and the courts cannot remain mute spectator against such manifest arbitrariness of the state authorities, and as such the bar contained under Article 243(0)(a) of the Constitution of India is not applicable, and the writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India would be maintainable. Stop. Thank you.